In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of IndusInd EazyDiner Platinum Credit Card. The EazyDiner credit card comes in this cover. The cover looks like this. So without wasting any time, let's open the cover. Let's remove the inside contents. Here you will find your name and address. Here are some of the features of this EazyDiner credit card. And here is the credit limit. It is 2,50,000 for me. And you will also get a booklet on how to use this card. Here you can see some of the features of this card. Here is a credit card. Let's open this. This is how the EazyDiner Visa Platinum credit card looks. It's a Wi-Fi enabled credit card and it is plastic. The back side of the card looks like this. You will find the credit card number, expiry date and the CVV number. For those who love to eat outside, EazyDiner credit card is no brainer. You can use it to get extra discount on your dining. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.